Alright, welcome back. I decided to try the viral TikTok cold girl makeup, and honestly, I think I ate, y'all. Like, I really do. Okay, look at the lighting, get into it. Y'all see that gold and blue in my waterline? Yeah. I started with the Laneige lip mask. This stuff, I've been using it for a while. It's in the scent berry. It doesn't really smell like anything though. And then I go in with the Tarte foundation. Y'all, I did splurge at Ulta and decided to try this makeup when they were having their Black Friday sales, and let me tell you, best foundation I've ever used. Like, I don't like foundation because it feels heavy and cakey on my skin and it just doesn't look good, but look at the blend, look at the blending. Then I went in with my e.l.f. concealer, which I absolutely love. Like, I've gone through 3 tubes of this. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, this is my go-to concealer. I'm not switching it up. Alright, next I'm going in with my contour, which is honestly a Makeup Forever foundation stick. And I'm trying this contour mapping that I saw on TikTok. And honestly, y'all are gonna see it works. I like it on myself. You know, everyone's face shape and stuff is different. So, of course, do what works for you. It looks ridiculous, but just wait until I blend it out. Also, I got this makeup brush kit by e.l.f. from Target, and this brush right here that I'm using, wow, it's for contour, and let me just say I'm obsessed. Okay, and honestly, I use a lot of e.l.f. products in this video. I noticed that when I was editing, and I promise to you guys, it is not sponsored, but e.l.f., if you're listening, I will not mind a sponsorship because y'all's products are bomb, from the brushes to the concealers. And just wait, I'm gonna use their eyebrow pencil too, just wait for it.
If you ride with me, I gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry and in love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love.
Alright, what did I tell y'all? The e.l.f. brow pencil. Honestly, this is my go-to even when I go to travel, cause it's so compact. It has the spoolie on the other side. Like, you can't go wrong. It's a 2-in-1 deal right there, and I absolutely love the application. Honestly, it looks crazy right now, but just wait until I do my concealer. It's gonna look so much better, but my brows do look really dark and crazy, but just wait. And then that's the same e.l.f. concealer from before, the camo concealer. I absolutely love it for my eyebrows.
I gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry and in love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. Ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us.
I saw myself in the camera and I literally could not take myself seriously. Like, I look like I have a unibrow. Oh yeah. Okay, then another e.l.f. product. When I tell y'all this is not sponsored, I swear. Their stuff is just actually really good and affordable. So I go in with their Putty blush. It's not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be, but I usually use a different brush when applying this, so that probably is my bad, but it is buildable, I will say that. So you'll see the more I apply, the pinker my cheeks are going to get. And I don't know where I got this from, but do y'all put blush on your chin and like on your temples? I don't know if I saw someone else do that, but I just feel like it brings more warmth to your face because you can look very 2D and flat faced without blush in those areas, in my opinion. Right, then I went in with this pressed pigment from this palette I got from Five Below. They literally don't have colors. I mean, okay, they clearly have colors. I meant they don't have names for the colors, so that's why I just put it up there and try to circle the shade that I am using. But as you can see, it definitely helped deepen that pink I'm cold cheeky look. This powder is by the brand NYX, and honestly I used to be a NYX fiend. Like NYX and E.l.f, honestly, you can't go wrong if you're looking for something affordable. Alright, and I just go in with this powder to deepen the contour that I did with the cream contour. And let me tell y'all about this brush that I'm using. So as you can see, it's nice and fluffy. It applies just the right amount. But the other side is also a brush, so it's a two-sided brush, and I use that to contour my nose, which you'll see in a second. And look at that. It's just like the perfect amount. Like, it's not too much powder because I've had that issue before and my nose just ended up looking black, and it's like, I'm already black. I don't need my nose to look blacker than me, okay? There is a jump scare moment coming up. Jump scare. See, I am so sorry. I don't even know why I did that like that. Like, what was I looking at? But anyway, I just keep blending it out from my nose into my crease just to give me a little more dimension. And when I say blend, like, I'll sit here and blend my nose for a good 5 minutes. Y'all need to go get this brow gel. I did get it for a gift, but let me tell you, it works. It is so good. These lashes are everything. I got it in their little holiday kit, and then I went in with this highlight in the color Gumdrop, and it's pink, so it was perfect. I kind of wish I would have applied it the same way I applied my blush, but at the same time, I think it would have been too much. But I also think it would have been fun to see how glowy and pink I could have got my cheeks.
What's happening to her nose? You're turning violet!
I had to include that clip in there. I felt like Violet when I looked at how pink my cheeks were. But of course, you know, in the pink version. But I just thought that was so funny. And this is the final look, but wait a minute. I need to do my hair. Alright, let me know what y'all think in the comments.